Hi students, happy morning to all. Welcome to 7th standard video. Today we are going to see term 3, unit 3, Jan Air. It's a play, unit 3, term 3, unit 3, Jan Air. It's a play. Okay students, shall we move? Jan Air. So every child has a right to an education. Every child has a right to an education. A life free from poverty and protection from abuse. Every child has a right to an education. A life free from poverty and protection from abuse. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. See, poverty, unemployment, discrimination, ignorance, corruption. Poverty, unemployment, discrimination, ignorance, and corruption. So these all things like poverty, unemployment, discrimination, ignorance, corruptions, these all the do's, see the do's, these all the do's, there are many do's, but we have one key, that the key is education. So that's why every child has a right to want education. If you want your life, if you want your free life, if you want free life from poverty and protection from abuse, you must, every child has a right to want education. So students, what are the basic human rights? What are the basic human rights? And what is education? What are the basic human rights? And what is education? Why do we need education? Why do we need education? Here Jan Air display tells us about education. We need education. Students. At Gatsch, this is Jan Air. It's a play. So we in this play, so many. There are 3 or 4 scenes are given. First, we are going to see first scene at Gateshead. So first, we want to know the characters. Busy. Jan Air. Jan Air, she is 10 years old. Bessie. Jan Air, Bessie. Jan Air is 10 years old. Both her parents are dead. Both her parents are dead. She lives with her aunt, Mrs. Reed. So another character, Mrs. Reed, and 3 cousins. Who are they? Elisa, John, Georgina. So Jan Air is 10 years old and both her parents are dead. She lives with her aunt, Mrs. Reed, and 3 cousins. Elisa, John, Georgina. Bessie is the servant maid. Bessie is the servant maid. So what are the characters? Who are the characters? Jan Air. She lives with her aunt. Aunt name is Mrs. Reed. And 3 cousins, Elisa, John and Georgina. Bessie, she is the servant. Servant maid. Now at Gateshead, Bessie and John. Bessie and Jan They were speaking. Bessie said, Mrs. Jan, keep out of mischief the day. Mrs. Reed was in a frightful mood at breakfast that morning. So Bessie said to Jan that Bessie said to Miss Jan and keep out mischiefs that day. Mrs. Reed was in a frightful mood at breakfast that morning. So Jan replied, oh, she never took notice of her anymore. She thought she hid in the sitting room, whether she heard her came down the street. John replied, oh, she never took notice of her anymore, that she thought she hid in the sitting room, whether she heard her came down the street. Next, Bessie said to Jan that she was speaking of Miss Georgina and Eliza. No quarreling with those two, or they would had the whole house in uproar. What is meant by uproar? UPROAR. Uproar. Uproar means Bessie said that she was speaking of Mrs. Georgina. She refers to her aunt, Jan aunt name Mrs. Reed. Mrs. Reed speaking of Mrs. Georgina and Eliza. Jan replied, oh, it was not her who started it, that she would hide herself in the library with Uncle Reed's book. Next, Jan sits on the floor and looks through a picture book. John, Georgina and Eliza come. Now, Jan. Here she was. Jan replied, what did you want? John? Yeah. John said to Jan, how dared to ask him, what did you want? Came here when she called her. Eliza said that, what were you reading then? Jan replied, Bewick's History of British Birds. And John said, show your book. Eliza, it was one of father's book. Not one of those books belongs to her. John said that, bring to him that. Okay, students. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.